you shouldn't be hand calculating this. You should be using the calculator features that does all of this for you. So here's how you use the calculator to find mean and median. Actually, and even we can look at the distribution too and see what it looks like. So this is, you're going to go to Stat, Edit, same place when we were making scatter plots, right? You entered your values in L1 and L2. We're just putting our values in L1. So start here with our 98, 95, I know, it's okay. It'll write over the top of them. Okay, so that's our 10 values there. Okay. So when it comes to the mean and the median, you find them both by doing this, right? You go Stat, you arrow over to the calc, right? Just like when we did scatter plots, we would go down to the linear regression or quadratic regression. This time, you use the very first option, one variable stat. Right? So one variable stat, when I hit enter, right? And then I hit enter again, there's the average X bar. It's the first thing right there. Okay. Now, if you notice that it's got an arrow down there. So if I go down, and there you see the median is there, 95, which are the two values that we already figured out, right? And it's the number of data, right? 9. We had 9 numbers that we used. Yeah, there's a lot more in there, but we're not interested in doing interquartile ranges and things like that. Okay, we are going to go back to that menu in a minute, though. The mode is not in there. You still have to look at it. Now, you could, if it helps you, you know, if you go to the stat, watch this. You could, like, sort that data. Like, let's say I wanted to sort it in ascending order. Then I could say 2. And now I have to put in L1 for list 1. And L1 is above the 1. So it's second, L1, in parentheses. And now when I hit enter, it just says done. But if I go back to stat, edit, you could see the numbers have been put in order. And that might be an easier way to see which numbers occur more than once. It's above the 1. So it's the second 1. Eva? When you go like this, right? You go stat, calc, 1 for one variable stats, and then you hit enter, and it's the X bar right there. And the median, you scroll down, you see that.